And what's going on? So, shout out to Jefferson. Jefferson, thank you. Otherwise known as Take a Yo-Yo. Yeah, no, thank you for the soap. Gonna try this out, see how it works, and hopefully it works as well as using the regular pressure washer. All right. So as I was saying, thank you, Jefferson, over in Indiana. Thank you, JoJo. But yeah, no, definitely had to use that. I've been meaning to use that, and I finally got the chance to. And I gotta say, it works really great. But I gotta go though. Catch you guys in the next one.